Hey guys, ayun na nga, naaya tayo mag-overnight camping yan. First time kong mag-overnight camping dito and excited na ako. Actually, naka-ready na rin yung gamit ko. Pinahiram muna tayo ng gamit dahil bago pa lang tayo dito, wala pa tayong mga gamit para dyan. And siguro soon pagka nakaluwag-luwag, bibili na rin tayo ng sarili natin. And ayun na nga, may sinabing lugar si Kuya Lantangin. Hindi ako familiar sa lugar pero malapit lang ata dito. Ayun, so pakita ko sa inyo yung gamit. Feeling naman tayo maging hiker for today's video, no? So ayan, in 5 to 10 minutes darating na yung sundo. So, aalis na rin maya-maya and sana maganda naman yung panahon ngayon. Actually, maaraw. Di naman nauulan. So, ayan samahan nyo ako na mag-camping. Ipapakita ko sa inyo. So, mamaya na.
Kicking round dust, you're alone around the run. Well, I can see the fire still in your shadow. None of it is gone. I'm a believer, keeping the hope you need. You don't wanna load it onto my shoulders to carry all of your fears, but I can dry your tears, 'cause you make it all through the day. Ooh, 'cause you make it all through the day. Ooh, looking for guidance. I can be the hand you reach. Oh, baby, you can lay all onto my shoulders. I'll carry all of your fears, and I can dry your tears, 'cause you make it all through the day. Sitting on the sidewalk, kicking round dust, you're alone around the run. 'Cause you make it all through the day. Well, I can see the fire still in your shadow. None of it is gone. None of it
guys, good morning, and kagigising ko lang at nandito pa nga pala tayo sa may bandang mga bato-bato, mga bato-bato at relax muna tayo, muna tayo. Maya liligpitin na din natin yung tent, pero di ko alam anong oras kami uuwi pero kakain muna syempre. Ayun, solid naman yung tulog kagabi, yan. Malamig, saktuhan lang yung lamig, malamig din pero hindi na ganun kalamig. Siguro kwento ko na lang din yung mga nangyari kahapon. Bali itong pinuntahan pala namin is 10 minutes drive, mga ganun lang, malapit lang sa dulo lang ng village din namin. Tapos sa parking area siguro maglalakad ka lang ng mga 2 kilometers. Ayan. Siguro around 30 minutes lang, hindi ko na, mga ganun lang. Simpleng lakadan lang naman, mahirap lang kasi may mga bit kang malaking bag yun. Tapos yun na, ma-reach mo na yung camping site. So ito yung first time ko nga mag overnight camping, kahit sa Pinas di naman ako nag-overnight camping kaya ayan, masayang experience. Guys, kwento ko na lang din pala, nakakita uli pala kami ng Northern Lights kagabi o yung Aurora Borealis yan. Hindi na ako nag-video pag ganun kasi di ako mahilig mag-video talaga ng gusto ko, parang ini-enjoy ko siya Tapos picture yan, pinicturean ko. Siguro ipapakita ko na lang sa inyo guys yung mga nakuhaan kong pictures. At sobrang ganda, naalala ko, hindi lang siya kulay green, may mga kulay violet siya na ilaw. Then kumain pala kami ng tour mat, yan. Ang English translation niya, tour food, parang yun yung basic na kinakain pagka mga ganito camping, hiking, na ready to eat siya, na lalagyan mo lang siya na mainit na tubig. Ayan, siguro i-ano ko na muna yung mga iligpit ko muna yung mga tent namin yan para mamaya ready to go na.
I'm looking at you, I'm trying to get your attention. Can I come close? I don't know how to play this. Our hands touch once or twice, feeling kind of hypnotized. I'm looking at you and I feel the tension. You know, this could be like heaven. I am right here, doing my best to make you feel like I do. And just for a second, you're looking at me, making me feel like maybe you want this too. Give me your attention. Trying to breathe, but the air feels just like water. You're making me weak now. What doesn't kill you makes you. Our hands touch once or twice, we should let them intertwine. I'm looking at you and I feel the tension. You know, this could be like heaven. I am right here, doing my best to make you feel like I do. And just for a second, looking at you, I'm trying to get your attention. Can I come close? I don't know how to play this. You know, this could be like heaven. I am right here, doing my best to make you feel like I do. And just for a second, you're looking at me, making me feel like maybe you want this too. Give me your attention.
Thank you. Mga kuya, salamat po.
Okay.
Next time ulit, maulit tayo, no? Sabi ulit. Thank you. Hey guys, at nakauwi na nga pala ako at dito ko na lang pala tatapusin ng vlog. Overall, napakagandang experience sa first time kong mag-camping. Yan, gustong sana maulit-ulit to. Siyempre maulit to kasi maganda naman yung panahon, buong spring and summer. Sana madaming mga gala akong mapuntaan at maraming salamat sa inyong lahat, sa mga patuloy na nanonood. At dito lang tatapusin ng vlog. Bye!